Child rights. This is a very important subject which affects most people in our society. When you come home to Ghana, we have it in the 1992 Constitution. There are relevant provisions on the protection of the rights of children. Children must be given a voice in all matters which affect them in accordance with their age and maturity. Child rights. This is a very important subject which affects most people in our society. When we talk about child rights, it involves various range of entitlements and freedoms which are designed for the protection of children or individuals below the age of 18 years. These rights, referred to as children's rights, can be found in international treaties, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Children. When you come home to Ghana, we have it in the 1992 Constitution. There are relevant provisions on the protection of the rights of children. For instance, we have right to education, right to be protected, and several of them. Ghana, on record, is said to be the first country in the world to ratify the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child, demonstrating the commitment of our nation Ghana in upholding the principles which are made to protect the principles of fundamental freedoms of all children below the age of 18 years. Article 28 of the 1992 Constitution, which aim to ensure their well-being, protection, and total development. In fact, these rights we find in the 1992 Constitution also includes the right to a name and nationality, to grow up with their parents, to participate in social activities, education, and be protected from all forms of discrimination, exploitation, torture, degrading treatment, and several others. Again, we have several laws which seeks to protect the rights of children, particularly the Children's Act of Ghana. It talks about two major principles, the welfare principle and the best interest principle. Now, the best interest principle, again, under the Convention on the Rights of Children, requires that the primary consideration when it comes to decision-making about children shall be the child's best interest. Then non-discrimination is very important, that all children must be provided with equal opportunity for healthy development. The Convention on the Rights of Children also supports the important role of family to the child, parental authority, and parental guidance. When it comes to participation, most of the time we are impatient to listen to our children. But the Convention on the Rights of Children provides for participation, yes. Children must be given a voice in all matters which affect them in accordance with their age and maturity. Viewers, I know you want to hear more, but do follow us on our social media handles. Watch us live on Channel 247 on a weekly basis, on Wednesdays, 9 p.m. and also you watch the replay of the same program on Saturdays at 12 noon. Thank you for staying with us.